Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to recover your Hotmail account. So if you also want to recover your Hotmail account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in login.live.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official sign-in page of Microsoft. From here you'll be able to log into your account. You can also create an account for yourself from here. So if you want to recover your account, first of all what you have to do is enter your email over here. Simply enter your email. After that what you have to do is click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now if you remember your password, you can go ahead and enter your password and sign in to your account. But if you want to recover your account, simply click on the option forgot password that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll have to verify your identity. You'll have to select the method through which you want to get your security code. Simply click on the option of your choice. If you have selected the email option, you'll have to enter your email over here. Simply enter your email. After that, what you have to do is click on the option Get Code that you can see on the screen. Now you'll receive a code in your email address. Simply open New tab. Now open Gmail. Simply type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. You can see over here Microsoft has sent me an email. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to see the reset code over here. All you have to do is memorize this code. Go back to the Microsoft tab. Now enter that code over here. After entering the verification code, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to reset your password. Simply reset your password, enter the new password. Now you'll have to re-enter the password over here. Your password must have 8 characters minimum. Remember, it is case sensitive. Now after entering the password, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your security info has been updated. Your password has been changed. Simply click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now simply sign into your account. Now after that your account will be recovered and you'll be able to use your account again. So that is how you recover Hotmail account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.